Hi, this is Penny Castignazzi. Nancy Tellian and I are going to show you a brief video of our award-winning Lively Letters Phonics app that has 3 engaging activities: flashing, tracking, and the match game. Nancy, why don't you show them this first activity?
Okay, so this is the flashing activity, and I've chosen the letters I want to introduce. I chose lowercase letters. I chose the Lively Letter pictures as opposed to plain. And here we go. So this is basically an activity where you're able to have letters flashing in. You're able to introduce the stories to your students so they can learn those letter sounds, either in English or in Spanish to hear the English language sound.
What are you doing when you make this sound? T. Can you make that sound? T.
Here it is in Spanish.
¿Qué hacemos para formar este sonido? T. ¿Puedes hacer ese sonido?
You can hear the song for each of these characters.
I'm the famous tongue dancer.
This icon will let you show the hand and mouth cue photo that goes along with the character. Kids can practice their printing using the pencil feature. You're able to use a record button to have the kids actually record themselves and play back so they can monitor what they sound like. You can do progress monitoring. We have this for all of our activities, and that's the flashing activity. What I'm going to do for you right now is bring up another activity, and I'm able to see my score. All right, so I'm going to go to the tracking activity, which is where we work on phonemic awareness and phonics. I'm going to choose this type of letter, lowercase with the pictures. I'm going to choose whatever letters I want. Right now I'm just selecting all. And you can choose any background. I will choose the underwater background right here. And we'll begin. I'm just going to bring some letters down into this holding area. These will be the letters that we use in our activity for wordplay, and basically you're going to be working on phonemic awareness and phonics with your students. You're saying things like, if that says tap, what does this say? You're making one change at a time. Let me hide these icons up here. Students are making one change at a time, sounding out these new words. Nap. That was for reading. You're also going to do it for spelling. If that says nap, you might say, make it say sap. And the kids are going to realize they have to bring this other letter in. These are all aligned with the famous Lively Letters strategies for tracking, which train phonemic awareness and phonics. You're able to use your pencil feature here. You're able to play what we call the human alien game. If you want to work on having kids recognize if it's a real word or a make-believe word, they can decide, was it an alien word or a human word, and play that little game as they're going along. Again, there's progress monitoring for this activity as well. And let me quickly show you the last activity, which is the matching activity. And you can choose any number of pairs. I'm going to start with 6 pairs with my students. And what I'm going to be doing here is matching lowercase to uppercase Lively Letter pictures, but you can see all of the different things that you can match here, including uppercase, plain letters. I'm going to pick one character here, and here are the letters that I'm going to choose today. And this background. And this is your classic match game. The kids are going to take turns. You want them saying the sound. They're going to try to find the match to that. And then they're just going to hit next, go on to the next pair. Again, this is a great way to have kids practicing their letter sounds. You can have them work on names. You can even work on their speech articulation skills.
Hi guys, this is Penny again. I hope you've enjoyed this brief video, and we're excited to have you join the thousands of educators and parents who are using this app along with our print materials to change lives one letter at a time.